If you can talk about your day in English, you are ready for real conversation. Think about your routine. Every day you woke up, you eat, you work or study, you meet people, you came home. So today we are going to practice English using your own life. So welcome to day 2 our 30-day English speaking challenge. And remember, don't just watch me, speak with me. You ready? Let's go. Okay. To get started, I wanted to say three quick sentences. Don't worry about mistake, just speak. Say, I'm ready. Your turn. Second, I am learning English. Your turn. And one more. I will speak English today. Your turn. Perfect. Now let's talk about what you do every day. Step 1. Morning routine. First question. When do you usually wake up? Go first. I wake up at 7 a.m. Now you. I wake up at blank. Good. What's the first thing you do after you get out of your bed? You can say, I brush my teeth, I take a shower, I get dressed, I have breakfast. Pick two and three things you do every morning. Say, after I wake up at 8 a.m., your turn. Great. Now let's put those ideas together. Say with me. I woke up at 7 a.m. Then I brush my teeth and shower. After that, I eat breakfast. Now, you say it. Don't copy my time. Use your own routine. Excellent. Next, let's talk about your work or school day. If you go work, say I start work at 9 a.m. If you study, I start my study at 9 a.m. If you work from home, I work from home. I have a question for you. What do you do during a day? Take a second to think. One, two, three. Now answer me. Good. Now let's make your answer a little bit better. Try saying this. I usually spend my day working on my laptop. Or I usually spend my day in class or studying. Now you. I usually blank during the day. Excellent. You are building the complete sentences now. Now, you have finished your task and arrived home. What happened next? Do you usually watch a show, exercise at gym, hang out with friends, play video games, review your notes, prepare your meal? Let's give it a try. Try saying, once I finish my work, I usually prepare my meal. Your turn. Good. Now try linking them together. Listen to this example. After work, I usually head home. In the evening, I watch television and relax with my family. You try. Very well done. Final part of our session. What is the nighttime routine? You could say, I eat my dinner, I brush my teeth, I check social media, I read few pages, I go to the sleep at 11 p.m. Finish this thought. Before I go to the sleep, I blank. Your turn. And tell me. Great. Now you can describe your whole day in English. Now, final pass 30-second challenge. Now we are making it harder. No repeating after me, no reading, no stopping. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Tell me about your daily routine. Start with I usually wake up at, then tell me what do you do in the morning? What do you do during the day? What do you do after work or college? And what do you do before you bed? Here's the structure: morning, day, evening, night. You don't need difficult word. You don't need perfect grammar. Just keep talking. Ready? Ready? And your 30 seconds start now. Keep going. Don't stop. Forgot, forgot a word. Use a easier word. Make a mistake. Keep speaking. You are practicing, not perfection. And stop. How did you do? If you spoke for full 30 seconds, congratulations! You are practicing talking about your real life in English. And that's exactly what we are building. Yesterday, you introduce yourself. Okay? You talk about your daily routine. Tomorrow, you are going to practice something more even useful, talking about your family. So don't break the streak. Comment. Day 2 done. And if you are joining this challenge from day 1, right, I'm still going. Remember, you don't need perfect English, you need consistent practice. 5 minutes a day, 30 days, one goal. Speak English with confidence. I see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye bye.